Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Plopsaland Deutschland, where today we are taking you on their newest coaster, 100% Wolf.
Yeah, really looking forward to it. We've seen it being built for quite some time now. The aesthetic of it has really intrigued me. All the rock work and everything, and just I was really excited for this one.
Yeah, me too. And spoiler alert, we did already ride it. Reason being just because when we got here, we didn't know how long the wait might be to actually get on it.
We kind of just ended up in the line.
We kind of just ended up in the line.
We didn't know that that's where it was starting because it was so long.
It was so long.
We just wound up getting in line for it.
Yeah, and I think maybe we waited about 2 hours or a little more. I'm sure that will go down over time because actually I feel like the throughput will probably be pretty good. On this, they seem to kind of have a nice system in place.
They are running 2 trains right now.
They are running 2 trains right now. But yeah, it's really cool. You've got this new immersiveness over here, and I think they did a good job bringing in something for the whole family, as well as just doing a little bit more with the theming. And it sort of goes to, you know, they got the spooky section. It kind of ties that in a little bit, which I always thought was one of the weirdest things at this park, is just the theme seemed very jarring.
There's still a little disconnect.
There's still a little disconnect, but I think they're trying to connect a little more with that, which is good. Now, this is a Gerschlauer steel family coaster, literally just opened today. And yeah, so even though we've done it, we're gonna go ahead and take you through like the ride queue and everything, the station, POV, and then we'll talk to you about our thoughts.
Here.
Der Fahrbetrieb wird jetzt aufgenommen.
All right, so now that we have taken you on 100% Wolf, we are here to give you our thoughts. So I'm gonna let you start.
I think it's fun. It's definitely not like a thrilling coaster, but I think it is a really good family coaster.
It is a really good family coaster. I would put it like, it's not my favorite I've ever done, but it's definitely above like an average marking, I would say. They did a really good job with the theming. There are a couple little whippy spots on the ride. I think in the back too, you would pick up some of those whips a little bit more.
Yeah, because you kind of get the incline launch midway through that you don't really get too much of it in the front row. But I think in the back, it would definitely be a little more exciting.
Yeah, and there were little pops of, not really airtime, but like a little floaty. And for kids, maybe they might get a little bit of that kind of airtime feeling on a couple of those little bunny hills that sort of were present throughout the ride, which were really fun. I enjoyed that. And the backwards element could be maybe a little longer for my taste. It was so short.
It is quick, yeah.
It is quick, but yeah, overall, I really liked it. I think the whole vibe is just kind of taking everything up a notch, like the theming and everything. It really feels like the next sort of tier going on here, and
very smooth too.
Very smooth.
Yeah, it was a great ride.
It was a great ride, and like I said, I think it fits a hole in this park, which is that I don't think. Well, I guess they do have the one little kiddie coaster inside, so this would be is the fourth coaster here.
Total, yeah.
4 total. But this one's kind of that nice middle ground. It's definitely more like thrilling than what is it called? Now I can't think of what it's called. It's the one in the Maya section. It's been a minute since we have done that, but I'll put it on the screen here. But anyway, it's a notch up from that, but it's not an adult coaster.
Right.
Yeah. So I think it's a good addition for the park.
Yeah, no, and the theming is top notch.
The theming's really good. It's really good. I'm really excited to see what they're going to do. We kind of tried to peep over, especially when we went past kind of lakeside on the ride at the section that's going to be part of the expansion. At least I'm pretty sure that's where it is.
Yeah.
The Tomorrowland expansion.
I'm pretty sure.
And there still doesn't seem to be much, at least visible to us, that's going on. But I can't wait to see how the park is going to continue to grow. I've never seen it as busy as it is today.
No, we were in like the very back parking lot.
That we didn't even know about.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that was a thing.
Yeah, we had to walk quite a ways to even get in today.
Yeah, so definitely come check it out. And plus, they added the Smurfs last year too. And personally, I actually think that's quite cute as well. I'm trying to sneak on it before we leave. So, so yeah, come out, bring the family. This is a really good family park, and I think it's only going to continue to get better. So, good job on Plopsa for this addition to the park. And yeah, we hope you enjoyed it. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing and coming along for some more theme park content. And yeah, we look forward to seeing you then, and have a great rest of the week.
See ya.
Bye.